So we have already, Chief Minister has already given. I can't be always, because there's a media presence, that I constantly go on saying what the steps are being taken. I've made it very categorical. Myself and the Chief Minister together, jointly, will take whatever steps need to be taken. But before that, there is something called the expert committee. I have also mentioned that the expert committee has to make suggestions to the government in view of the positivity rate and how the positivity rate, because our job here is to flatten the curve. Now, also just for your knowledge, because all of you must be following me on Twitter, I give the factual position of the state on Twitter. We have got more Omicron cases in the state. As a result, all these Delta cases which we get as Delta are getting converted to Omicron. So problem is that it's getting a little late because we don't have a genome sequencing machine. But yesterday I was watching somebody on television yesterday, he said soon there will be through RT-PCR testing, there will be a methodology available by which the genome sequencing will not be required and we will be able to identify whether it is Omicron or it is a Delta variant. So, in view of that, USAID and JPEGO have already told the government of Goa that through USAID, they are going to give us a genome sequencing machine which should come on the 15th of this month. If that comes, then we will be able to immediately test fast. They will be giving us kits for 1 year, free of charge, no cost to the state government. The machine costs 2-3 crores of rupees, all that. But now, when you look at the overall scenario and the positivity rate, like you saw that boat that came, that boat had about 66 people. Neither MPT took it. It is not state government that directed. MPT did not allow it to come. So then secondly, Bombay also, BMC did not allow them to disembark till they tested everybody. So basically what we need to do is see how the curve is moving and we need to work towards flattening the curve. So whatever steps required, the expert committee is constantly briefing you on this. And then they will report to the government. And government means the Chief Minister and all of us, then we will take appropriately. We will keep on reviewing the steps that need to be taken. Now last task force meeting, Chief Minister has already briefed the media. Accordingly, they have taken some steps. So accordingly, we will keep on moving that.
सर जिनोम सिक्वेन्सिंग फॅसिलिटी आपण लास्ट सेकंड वेव्ह कुठे हाडपाक सोदर मदीं कितें जालें माहिती का प्रॉब्लेम
ना मागीर तेन्ना विशय सगळो हे जालो न्ही केसीस कमी जावंक लागले आनी तेन्ना जिनोम सिक्वेन्सींग हांवें मुद्दम मागलें कित्याक आमकां म्युटेशन व्हायरस जसो म्युटेट जाता कळपाक की बाबा व्हायरस खंयचो आहा तो आयज पळय तेजी आमकां गरज लागता अशी दिसता आमकां की जिनोम सिक्वेन्सिंगचे
पूण डिले कित्याक जालो हेचे खातीर
पूण तेन्ना गरज नाशिल्ली आयज गरज आहा US आनी आतां हांवें ऑर्डर दिली तरी बी आयज सगळे प्रत्येक राज्याक जिनोम सिक्वेन्सिंगाची मशीन जाय 1-2च कंपनी ह्या देशान जे इम्पोर्ट करपाक दिता मुख्यमंत्रीन बी सांगला की आमी स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट बी आमी एक घेवया पण त्याच बरोबर USAID जर आमकां पयलीं दिता मागीर आमी दुसरी मशिनाची आमकां गरज ना पण हे सगळे फ्री दिता ते थ्रू JPEGO म्हणून
तेन्नाच घेतलं जाल्यार बरें जावपाचें न्ही
प्रत्येक गोष्टीक तशें डिस्कस केल्यार कशें जातलें आतां येता न्ही मशीन